Today, more people than ever are living with neck pain. Sometimes it's a hit on the field. Sometimes it's years of disc degeneration. Sometimes it's as simple as looking down at your phone. When cervical discs are damaged, the results are the same: severe pain, nerve compression, and spinal instability.
Each year, more than 1.1 million spinal fusion surgeries are performed in the United States. Anterior cervical disectotomy and fusion is one of the most common procedures performed to restore spinal stability and relieve nerve compression. During this procedure, an implant is placed between two vertebrae to maintain spacing and encourage bone growth.
While current implants can be effective, they are expensive and require lengthy manufacturing timelines before they ever reach the operating room. In addition, current interbodies on the market present challenges such as improper fusion and high subsidence rates. As a result of their permanent nature and these challenges, revision surgeries may be necessary. Our team is working to change that.
We're developing a cervical interbody prototype that utilizes FDM 3D printing of bioresorbable and composite polymers. Our goal is to provide the strength patients need while offering the long-term advantages of a bioresorbable implant.
Using CAD modeling, our team designed the implant to maintain strength and optimize manufacturability. Our design uses a gyroid lattice structure, which offers a strong, porous internal geometry. This lattice architecture continues through both end surfaces, allowing space for bone to grow through the implant. Ultimately, we aim for the implant to degrade completely over time, leaving fused vertebrae and native bone in its place.
Our team has successfully identified bioresorbable and composite polymer filaments, along with their optimized 3D printing parameters that consistently produce our modeled implant.
To ensure the implant meets clinical performance requirements, we evaluated the design according to ASTM standard F2077, the benchmark for interbody fusion device testing. Our prototypes met a minimum compressive load of 2,150 newtons, approximately double the maximum expected cervical spine load. Our prototypes demonstrate dimensional accuracy within 1% of the intended design. A compression testing results with a standard deviation of approximately 5%, indicating a highly consistent manufacturing process.
Our process shows FDM printing can produce small gyroid cervical implants for under $20 in about 30 minutes without secondary machining, far cheaper than traditional methods.
Looking forward, our work has demonstrated a promising starting point in bringing this next generation of implants to market. There is still much to be accomplished, including validation of long-term stability and preclinical performance.
We believe this technology has the potential to redefine spinal fusion implants, furthering biocompatibility and improving patient outcomes at a fraction of the cost. If you are interested in helping bring this device to market, we invite you to connect with our team at Michigan Tech's Design Expo on April 14th to learn more about the project and explore opportunities to get involved. Together we can shape the future of spinal fusion treatment.
We would like to extend our sincere appreciation to the team at Exalta, Tim, Emily D, Emily S, Luke, and Matt, for their guidance and support throughout this project. We would also like to thank Dr. Sang-Yoon Han and Dr. Jason Wan for advising and supporting our team over the past 2 semesters. And finally, thank you to Alexandra Holmstrom, Devin Seppala, Dr. Sunny An, and Dr. Lee from the Biomedical Engineering Department, Paul Fraley from the Material Science and Engineering Department, and Jeremy Esch from the Mechanical Engineering Department for their invaluable support.